You are welcome once again to another edition of our learning program. Our subject for today is mathematics, and our topic is division. Now, this topic is entitled Division 2 because it marks the continuation of our lesson in division. Now, what are we supposed to achieve at the end of the lesson? At the end of the lesson, you can explain division as sharing. You can perform simple division operations identifying a remainder. Also, you can identify some division vocabs. You can explain division as sharing. You can perform simple division operations identifying a remainder. And you can identify some division vocabs as well. Now prepare for the lesson. Now, let's look at identifying a remainder after performing simple division operations. Example: 7 divided by 2 is equal to what? There's a question here. 7 divided by 2 is equal to what? Or 7 shared by 2 is equal to what? Now, below is a picture. Look at the picture carefully. What comes into your thoughts? What are the dogs doing? Good. Assuming you are given 7 bones to be shared among 2 dogs. How do you share the bones among the 2 dogs? Good. As we can see for ourselves, each dog has been given 3 bones respectively, and a bone is lying separately apart from the 3 bones given to each dog. Which means when 2 dogs share 7 bones, each dog gets 3 bones respectively, and 1 is left, and that 1 left is called the remainder. And so, in sharing or in division, there is a remainder if the divisor or the quantity that shares whatever quantity that is known does not receive equal share of what is given to them, but some is left, and so the one that is left is called the remainder. That is what we did with 7 divided by 2. 3 each given to the 2 dogs, and 1 is left. The 1 left is the remainder. Very well. Now let's have a review of our division vocabs. The first known quantity is called the dividend, or the quantity that is being divided or shared is the dividend. And the other known is called the divisor. That is the one that shares or divides the first known quantity. And the answer is called the quotient. The answer is called the quotient. Very well. Now let's get back to our question. One may ask, what is our answer? Yes, 7 is divided by 2. The answer is 3, remainder 1. That means our answer is 3, remainder 1. Very good. Now let's continue. Example 2. 9 divided by 4. 4 pupils are sharing 9 candies or toffees. 9 candies or toffees. Now, what will be the answer? 9 divided by 4. 9 divided by 4 is equal to what? Alright, let's look at the picture carefully. We can all see for ourselves that each pupil has 2 candies each, or 2 toffees each, and 1 is left over. The leftover is called the remainder. And so 9 divided by 4 is equal to 2 remainder 1. 2 remainder 1. Very good. And so the first known, which is the dividend, is divided or shared by 4 pupils, and the result or the answer is 2 remainder 1, because when you share the 9 among the 4 pupils, each pupil receives 2. 2 received by each pupil, which are 4 in all, is going to be 8, and 1 is left over, and the leftover is the remainder. And so therefore we can say 9 divided by 4 is equal to 2 remainder 1. Very good. Now we come to the conclusion of our lesson. At the end of our lesson, you were able to explain division as sharing. You performed simple division operations, identifying a remainder. You identify some division vocabs as well. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to solve questions related to this topic in your textbooks. Stay safe and bye for now.